Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. Again, I have another box, and so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Before I begin, I wanted to thank everybody for the support for my previous video where I talk about an establishment that I no longer support. And yeah, I just wanted to say that all of the opinions expressed in that video were of my own. And yeah, I see it as people usually feel the need to express their opinions about something, either if the service was really good, or if the service was really bad. And in this case, the service was really bad, and so I decided to make that video so my viewers would expect something. If that happened to them, then they're not the only ones that went through this ordeal. And a few people have commented saying, if this had happened, it wasn't really meant to be. And you know what, I truly honestly accept that, because shortly after that bag was sold, I found this bag. And no, actually, I found this bag while I was thinking about that bag as well, but this bag was such at a good price that I decided to get this one. I was going to get both of them, but I decided to definitely get this one. And yeah, you guys know what happened with that other one. So without further ado, I have my blade, and let me go ahead and cut into this guy. I do apologize for the lighting. I am operating under new lighting conditions. I have ordered an upgrade, and so hopefully this is the only video where this is going to be a little bit dark. And it is close to 9 o'clock at night, and it is a work night, so yeah, but I just got this today and I could not wait till the weekend to film this. So I'm going to be very careful with cutting into this because the box looks a little bit small, but considering the item that's in here. So I purchased this item from a reseller in Japan, and this got here really fast. Like within 3 days or so, which is crazy fast. Sometimes I wait longer for pieces that I order here in the United States, and this one came faster than that. Okay, so here is the box. Let me open it with you guys. Oh, okay, so here is the inside. Let me go ahead and take this out. I'll put the box, maybe I'll try to use this as a table so you guys can sort of see. Okay, so it looks like they gave me a card. It says, "Thank you very much. I hope you love the bag. Thank you." Okay, so it's taped up in some bubble wrap. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me tell you the story of why I decided to get this bag first before I reveal it. So the other bag that I was looking at that was at that establishment's website that I no longer support, is in a similar color. And so my aunt, I lost my aunt a couple years ago now, and she left me a lot of money, basically, and I wanted to, you know, get something to remember her by. And what better to get something that I truly loved. And I know she was into fashion, and she was a hairdresser, and so she was, you know, one of my cool aunts. But yeah, I just wanted to get something to remember her by, and I think this definitely does that for me. So let me go ahead and keep on opening it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let me open it this way. Okay, so you guys ready? So it is a white bag, you guys can see. Okay, it's wrapped very nicely with all this tissue paper. Okay. So there you go, you guys. So it is a vintage jumbo in white lambskin leather, and it has a So Black hardware. Now there is supposed to be the authenticity card, but where is it? Let's see. There it is. Alright, so here is the authenticity card. It is a, oh, you guys can't really see, it's a 5 series, but just like any of my other bags and my other Chanel items, I always require the authenticity card in order for me to consider even buying something. But look at this bag. I mean, there are a few dents or whatever, but they're really hard to see, likely from storage and the chain getting in the way. But this bag is practically in perfect condition. The corners are simply amazing. But yeah, look who else I brought to the party. I brought my black one in the So Black colorway. So let me just show you guys them side by side. If I could get them in the screen. Isn't that really, really beautiful? So I bought this one from Sabina on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel. And again, this is the one that I just recently purchased. And oh my gosh, the lighting is getting really out of control because of the stark white bag. So this is white, it's not cream white. It is totally white. And the hardware is in that So Black. And I think it's in a lucite material, which is a plastic. And the cool thing about this bag, well, I think anyways, so it is only a single strap. You can't make it into a double flap, or not a double flap, but a double strap, because the connection to the straps are on the top, and there's only one rivet, I guess you could call it, down here and up here. And the chain itself is also in that plastic material, just like this chain here. But I never use the chain as a strap. I have another strap that I use for a shoulder strap, and I usually just put the strap like this. And so the strap comes out of here, and I usually try to put a charm or something on there. But yeah, so in this bag, so here is the CCs. If you can see in the flap, the inside is white. There is a flat pocket back here, just like all my other vintage jumbos. And here is a zipped pocket as well, which is just beautiful. This bag was made in France, and yeah, such a beautiful bag. Now, since it is a white bag, I am concerned with color transfer, and so I'll definitely not wear dark colored jeans or anything like that while I wear this bag. But yeah, I just love this bag, and I'm really glad that I got this bag instead of that other bag that that was sold before I could even see it. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to show you guys for this video. Thanks again for tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.